Hey guys, this is another example of alchemy for my fictional D&D world with me and my friends. This is how to draw the most simplistic compound alchemy symbol. So, you start out with your recognizable circle. We're going to use a circle. Next video, we might use a triangle or a square, probably not. The circle, base circle, we're going to use that Mercury example as we have been, okay? Now, let me tell you what makes this a compound symbol. So you got this basic symbol right here that we've already explained in the last video. Now, to make a compound symbol, you will either do a gamma or something else that I will explain, as I have forgotten the name, but since this is for my D&D players, won't matter. What you're going to want to do is these lines. These lines will always be 3 inches or 6 or 9 or, sorry for that pause, or 12 or 14 or so on. So it goes from 3, 6, 9 to 12, 4 and 16, 18 and so forth. So it goes, yeah. So let's say you draw a 3-inch line right here, okay? With that 3-inch line, you can draw another circle. Let's say this circle is, I don't know, the symbol of protection, divination, and control. Okay, a little bit complicated, but it's okay. Now we've just changed what this will do. If you interact with the first symbol, the effect will come from the second symbol. Or if you interact with the second symbol, the effect will come at the first symbol. But it will change the interaction because of this little line connecting the two symbols. Now, if we move over here, we can see that there is another way of doing this. With the Mercury symbol, as we have been using this, we can make a gamma. This gamma is a second circle. In this, we will draw the same symbol of protection, okay? This type of symbolization is used in hieromancy and just about every other type of alchemy. The other one is specifically electromancy. Now, let's work with this. So we draw this symbol out right here, okay? What you will do is you will put a activant. I'll just write an AT. You will put an AT at the core symbol. If this is the core symbol, this little pentagram, then you will put it in the center. If this is the core symbol, you'll put it in the center. Now, it will do something different than the other one. The other one causes a chain or multi-reaction. This one instead creates a unifying action. I'll just write a U for unifying. With the other one, if you were to pour phosphorus right there, you will get a reaction that moves through the line into here. This reaction specifically will create mercury into a thin, flat sheet, like a plate of armor, or used in a plate of armor. That thin, flat sheet is the chain reaction. You get it over here if you do it over here. And that is, well, that's basically what that does. But if you were to do it right here, that mercury will instead clump up and make one cluster that will form right here. It unifies in the middle, and while that will shape the symbol, that will create it, therefore you get your mercury. I'm not going to spell it, doesn't matter. You'll get your mercury right there, okay? That is a kind of a basic introduction into compound symbols.